This is G's Cleaning Biodegradable Stain and Odor Remover Spray, a 32-ounce enzyme-based cleaner designed for everyday pet messes around the home. It's made for use on carpets, rugs, floors, furniture, and even mattresses, making it a versatile option if you have cats or dogs. The enzyme formula is designed to break down pet-related stains while helping reduce lingering odors, instead of just covering them up. I like that it's easy to use. You simply spray it directly onto the affected area and let it work, which makes cleanup less stressful when accidents happen. The biodegradable and non-toxic design also makes it a practical choice for households with pets, kids, or frequent indoor use. The spray bottle delivers a good amount of product, and the 32-ounce size is generous enough for regular cleaning or multiple areas around the house. It works well for everyday pet accidents, tracked-in messes, or general odor-prone spots. If you're looking for a pet-friendly stain and odor remover that's designed for multiple surfaces and simple daily use, this G's cleaning spray is a helpful addition to your home cleaning routine.